Grand Rising YouTube. Today is gonna be a simple day. I'm just taking y'all on a day with me. Something slight, but I just want to show y'all my daily process of me being in Thailand. Like I said, I'm gonna keep dropping videos like this for y'all, just to show y'all basically my process of rebuilding my life here abroad in Thailand, and eventually, maybe move to Japan or something. I don't know. I have to be able to experience it for myself first, but I do have a friend based in Japan. And I'm not gonna lie, he convinced me. I actually think I want to experience Japan for myself. I love Thailand, but it's other places that I do want to visit too. I don't want Thailand to be my one for all. But I just woke up, just meditated, brushed my teeth. About to go finish up two non-negotiables, get this out the way, read my 10 pages journal, and then around 10 o'clock we gotta go to HIT class at the Cathalon right across the street. So let's get this day started, and yeah. My words. So we finished our non-negotiables. Well, not all of them. We read the 10 pages. We meditated once this rise, and we also journaled. So now I'm about to finish my other non-negotiable, which is to go work out. I ain't gonna lie. These HIT classes that I've been going to been helping me stay consistent, and I like it because working out with others pushes myself to go work out. And of course, as a good husband should, about to take some of my wife's hair products, put in my head, since she always borrows my stuff. I think this is only right. I don't think she's gonna honestly mind. Longest to do with bettering myself and my hygiene and hair, she wouldn't trip. Cause I feel like, man, that low cut, man, I feel like that just was a representation of the U.S. wanting that freaking, I don't know, that professional look type of thing. But shit, I'm in Thailand. I'm about to grow my hair out. And I noticed that though, a lot of people say that when you move to Thailand, you'll have a totally different look than what you did when you left whatever original country that you're from. But besides that, it is 9:43, so we're about to go ahead and start walking to the Decathlon, so we're gonna start working out. So y'all come with me on that. So the Cathalon is literally right across the street, but we got to get past this highway. So it's about a 10-minute walk. It ain't that bad. I look at it as extra cardio for myself, just so I can push myself more. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not ready for today. I'm never really ready for his classes, but once I get there and I start working out, It be something slight. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. This class got me burnt out. I told you, Thursday is the hardest class. Thursday is the hardest class. As y'all can see, that class is no joke. I'm not even lying to you. I'm tired, I'm tapped out. Now we gotta get back home, I gotta take a shower, and then I gotta head to 4C. Honestly, I've been in the best shape of my life. Like, I do got to get this bird chest a little pumped up, but me being consistent and hitting my protein intake, calorie intake, my chest gonna get there. But for right now, my main thing was my abs. Like, I was at a point to where I was like really skinny fat and my stomach was really bloated. It got to a point where my wife told me I had a flat back like SpongeBob. That's disrespectful. I don't know, the back needs improvement, but hey, small, consistent steps equivalates to a large change in your life. Remember that. All right, the food is here. About to eat real quick. And then we're gonna head to 4C's. I know my wife been waiting on me. Got some tea leaf salad, which is the best. Also some basil rice. It's vegan. Just to get some protein in before we go ahead and really start our day. No. I'm gonna give y'all some because I know I don't feed y'all. Y'all go. 10 out of 10 recommend. No bad. All right, so waiting on my Grab driver. Gonna be here in 5 minutes. So once I get here, I'm gonna check back in with the, bro, it's so hot. I just took a shower when I'm sweating. Alright, y'all, so I was able to finish our non-negotiables for today at 4:18. We finished. At 4:18 we finished. So I say that's a successful day. I'm gonna just work on some extra stuff and then we're gonna head home.
Now available at urbanmovebeats.com.
Welcome back, Blake.
Dante, you snapped on this one.
Alright, y'all, so I want to show y'all the trade recap from Thursday, because I couldn't really record for y'all. So as y'all can see here, I had more of my previous day high, previous day low, but I was overall bullish. But I also was keeping in mind that we didn't sweep Asian lows, so I was just expecting us to sweep Asian lows to continue higher. And then when market open, you can see 9 o'clock we dropped, 10 o'clock we dropped. So that made me put my fill right here just to see where we were at with the move, and we were right at the 0.382. So I sat on my hands and I continued being patient. I saw that we dropped all the way above previous day low, so that made me realize, okay, we're bearish. So I looked for an entry. I usually look for an imbalance, and I saw that we had an imbalance right here. It wasn't a big imbalance, but it was a small imbalance. I was waiting for us to tap into it and retrace back down to show that we want to do a continuation of the move. So once I saw that we tapped into this imbalance, I ran like a 35-point stop loss. And with the 2-hour multiple, which honestly, I could have called a 1-6, but that's not the biggest thing. You want to just stick to your rules, and 2-hour multiple was pretty fine with me. So pretty good execution, honestly. This week, if I'm not mistaken, your boy is up 4-8. So I said it was a pretty good week. I'm gonna start dropping more of my trade recaps for y'all just to show y'all what I look for and kind of what's my mindset throughout the trade and stuff like that. I'm gonna start doing live trading as well for y'all.